Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna unbox and review a wall mount holder for the Google Home Mini so that the cable and the Google Home Mini are well tidy. So looking at the box, we can see that there are no description or anything, just a simple QR code. So we're gonna open the box and see what's inside. So in the box we'll find the actual wall mount holder, a simple instruction manual on how to install the wall mount holder, and that's about it. And wrapping this, we can see that we're gonna fit the base part of the charger on the top of the holder and roll the cable part in circle. So to install it, we're gonna make sure the charging hole of the Google Home Mini is at the top so that we can plug the cable in later on. And then we're just gonna insert Google Home and start rolling the cable in circle. We can also remove the two cable organizer pieces as we don't need them in the holder. Once we're done rolling the cable, we can just insert the base part of the charger at the top of the holder. Finally, we can just plug the tidy Google Home Mini into the power outlet. As you can see, the Google Home Mini fits perfectly into this holder and looks really good inside. It is designed specially for the Google Home first gen, so if you need something for later version, you might want to look at another holder. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.